Hello and welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Moganathanari. In our channel, the first episode of MedCalc Podcast Series started for the introduction video in MedCalc. The MedCalc designed especially for the students, researcher and biomedical scientist. In this video, I will introduce you to the MedCalc interface, show you how to navigate the main menu and explain how to start with your data set. So the first of the sections on your left hand side, the options view for the data and notes, variable and filters and save the test and the graph for our project. So the first menu of the MedCalc software, the file menu. So the same for the all the software in the new file, open for the sheet and open the save as and add file options and export the page setup, print and properties on the main menu for the file menu. So the same for the Excel sheet method, but especially the designed for the MedCalc, the statistical analysis. So the next one menu for the edit. So the undo options, cut, paste, copy, delete, the select all and find the data set and find and replace, go to the cell, insert and remove cell and the transport the options. The next one for the view, separate sees the formula and the toolbar options for the menus in the MedCalc. So the next one, the format of the font, the increase the font size and decrease the font size. So the open the example data set for the anyone for the supported in options. So the open. So I add to the Excel sheet and multi options format menu for supported in the MedCalc. The SPSS, open document, separate sheet, text files and the all supported files. So I choose for the Excel, then click open. So this is for the import the data options, then ID and test result and the diagnostics for the actual for the cancers. So the next one menu for the tool. So the show rows, exclude the fill the columns, the stock columns and created the graphs and the additional options for the calculated splits also the present in the tools. So the statistical menu of the table for MedCalc, summary statistics, outlier detections and correlations, the regression t-test and ANOVA, the cross tables also the test. And the graph options for the data comparison graphs, multiple comparison graphs, multiple variable graphs and multiple line graphs, the control chart and polar chart, waterfall chart also the present in the MedCalc. So the test menu for the test for the one menus, test for the one propositions and Fesser extra test and additional test for odds ratio test also present in the test. So the sample size for the single man, single person and paired sample t-test also and the correlation coefficients, survival analysis and area under the ROC curves also the sample analyzed. So this is for the introduction of the MedCalc in our first series for the podcast episode in the MedCalc. So another one video continue. I will explain for the one by one the statistical analysis and graphs designings also for the MedCalc software. The data set only for analyzed in the MedCalc, biomedical science and medical research related the data set only for analyzed in the MedCalc series in the postcard for our channel. So enjoy this episode of the podcast and continue video I will upload for the series of the MedCalc software, full tutorials analyzed and data visualization. Okay, thank you for watching this video and if you like this video, click to the subscription button. and support to me, join to our channel membership, and below the comment box I will mention to the donation links. Thank you for watching this video.